Hi everybody, so it's time to dehead the maize. I think the idea of this is to make sure the plant's putting all of its energy, what remaining energy it's got, into developing the fruit or the cobs. So this is maize for the animals. So what I need to do is turn this tall maize into this short maize. We started yesterday doing this, just taking the tops off. So there's a couple of hours work there, I think, yesterday to do that. I think we've done about a third of the field. So we're taking it on the principle of a couple of hours a day, we'll get it done eventually. So here we go.
Sacred ground, I set my sights in view. It took some time, but soon I was running across the floor before I knew I was learning to fly. Am I dreaming? Can you see me learning to fly? Sky's the limit. Now I'm in love. Miles have traveled far beyond the colors and light I see. Touch the love I know I want. Standing right in front of me, I'm learning to fly. Am I dreaming? Can you see me learning to fly? Sky's the limit, and now I'm in it. It didn't take much, I guess I always knew. Deep inside I feel learning to fly. Am I dreaming? Can you see me learning to fly? The sky's the limit when I'm in it, learning to fly.
Run, Zane, run, be free. So it's the start of September. It's still lovely and sunny. We're out in our t-shirts, still over 20 degrees, but starting to think about winter and our log burner and the amount of wood that we got through last year. So this is the second load that's just been delivered. We've already stacked some of it. Hey. Yeah, so this is the second load. We just spent, I think, just over an hour stacking up the first load. So there we go. Some wood and some kindling I cut up earlier in the year. And then we got the wood. Then we got the wood at the top of the garden as well as a backup. It's probably a bit wet up there, to be honest, but it'll dry over the winter and it'll be a good backup. So yeah, as much as we don't want to think about winter, afraid we have to. Chickens have been free ranging all afternoon and we hoped they'd bring themselves back in, and these three have. These four around the back, 4 or 5, they're not quite figured it out how to get round to the door. They're trying to get through the mesh. Should we just give them a little helping hand? Come on, cheeky chicks. Go on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Just one left now. Come on, bird brain. There you go. And there we go. Well, that was successful. A successful free ranging. Then we'll try that again.